Then Jazzy. Then this.
Wow.
Then Jazzy. Then this.
Wow.
Starboy, I like Malu.
Crazy.
I don't know this one. Sabalo. Because of Yash. Sabalo. Ah! Mr. Macaroni. I need transfer money, the Agueda. Okay. Who is this?
Don't ask me that stupid question.
You guys say something, you guys say. Homo, Shank, Alpha. Lighter, because this guy is short. Black Panther. Cheetah. What do I fucking know? What the guy is doing to me? I don't know this. I don't know. Sabinus. No, Sabinus clue is not this. This shirt gave it off. Who is this? I don't know. I don't follow people like that. I'm lost. That's Sabinus. Jesus. You guys, this shirt is too iron for Sabinus now. You guys supposed to rough the shirt, tear the shirt.